welcome. Today, we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of Bishop Wise Carver Corporation. I'm Pamela Wise Carver-Kahn, second generation family member. I'm the president and owner of Bishop Wise Carver Corporation. And the event is just about ready to get kicked off. We got people coming through registration, tables are set up, food trucks are ready to go, and we got lots of different surprises.
The culture is absolutely amazing. The ability to know the history of your company, to have an owner who was there when she was a little girl working with her dad and knows the business that well, it's just absolutely amazing.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jelani Killings, here on behalf of the city of Pittsburgh, the honor of serving as mayor. So this proclamation is in celebration of the 75th anniversary of Bishop Wise Carver. Whereas the Bishop Wise Carver Corporation is celebrating 75 years of dedication, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence.
Anniversaries like this are oftentimes when you look back, but also moments to look forward. If we want Bishop Wise Carver to be thriving for the next 75 years, we must build a policy environment that rewards innovation and keeps great companies rooted here in the East Bay.
We've seen firsthand how she has worked with the community as Bishop Wise Carver has grown and evolved, and how she has set an example for leadership in this industry.
A manufacturer like this, if there were one like this in every community in California, California would be a much greater place than it is at the moment.
My dad would come home every day from work and lay down and take a nap and cogitate before dinner. But that's what he loved to do. He just really loved to solve customers' problems. That's what has built this, is his ingenuity. My pledge to the team is we got to 75. My job's not done until we make sure we got a path to get us to the next 75. So thank you very much.
Bishop Wise Carver!